What's up guys, and welcome back. Today I've got my hands on one of the most talked about mid-range TVs of the year, the Samsung 55-inch Q8F QLED 4K TV from their 2025 lineup. This TV promises a premium experience without the premium price tag of a top tier model. We are diving deep into the picture quality, the new AI Smart, and crucially where it falls short. So without further ado, roll the intro. Alright, now let's talk price. At the time of shooting this video, the 55-inch Q8F is priced at £559 in the UK and around $650 US. That price point immediately puts it in a tough competitive spot, but that's where the QLED tech is supposed to shine. Physically, my first impression is that the design is excellent. It uses Samsung's Air Slim concept, making it extremely thin, just 25.7mm thick without the stand. The 3 bezel-less design makes it look clean, modern, and really helps the picture pop. The aero-linear stand is simple and sturdy and offers a minimal aesthetic. Now let's get to the main event, the display. This is a 4K, that's 3840 by 2160 QLED panel, and the key selling point is always the color. Samsung is proud of the 100% color volume and quantum dot technology, and I have to say the color reproduction is genuinely brilliant. Greens are lush, reds are vivid. It lives up to the QLED reputation for punchy, vibrant imagery. For contrast, Samsung uses dual LED backlighting system coupled with supreme Ultra HD dimming. This helps with color accuracy by optimizing the backlight temperature. It supports Quantum HDR+ and HDR10+ adaptive. The brightness is strong, easily overcoming glare in a brighter room, which is where QLED traditionally beats OLED. However, being an edge lit or dual lit backlight system, depending on your specific region's panel, it's not perfect. In very dark scenes, you can notice some mild blooming or lack of uniformity around bright objects on a black background. If you're coming from a high-end, full-array local dimming TV or an OLED, then that picture black level is one trade-off you are making for this price point. This 2025 model introduces something new, the Q4 AI processor with Vision AI. The chip is responsible for 4K AI upscaling. Frankly, it's one of the best features of this TV. It analyzes what you are watching scene by scene and enhances it for better clarity. Watching an older HD stream or a noisy YouTube clip, the processor does a great job of cleaning it up, which makes even low quality content look surprisingly good on this 4K panel. Now if we talk about the OS, it's Samsung's Tizen OS. It's snappy, easy to navigate, and gives you instant access to your apps. Navigation is fluid, and with Bixby and Alexa built in, you have all the voice control you need. I also like that it includes Samsung TV Plus for free streaming channels right out of the box. And quick shout out to the solar cell remote control. It charges from your indoor lights or even your home Wi-Fi radio frequencies. It's a great piece of eco-friendly design, and it's a smart remote control with a built-in microphone for your voice searches. And you also get a standard Samsung infrared remote control included in the package. For gamers, the Q8F offers a mixed bag, but mostly a very good one for the price. The panel on the 55-inch Q8F has a 60Hz native refresh rate. That's the first spec you need to know. It uses motion accelerator processing to smooth out the picture. So for console gamers, you are looking at 4K 60Hz performance. It does have auto low latency mode and the dedicated gaming hub for cloud streaming. Quick look at the ports. This model features 3 HDMI 2.1 ports and 2 USB ports. However, the HDMI ports are limited to 4K 60Hz in this 55-inch model. The bigger size screens in this TV model do support native 4K 120Hz. Now let's move on to the sound. The TV is equipped with a 2-channel speaker system with 20 watts RMS output. It includes Object Tracking Sound Lite, or OTS Lite, which does a decent job of making the sound follow the action on screen. For a thin TV, the sound is adequate for casual viewing. But like almost all modern TVs, you're gonna want to connect up a soundbar. The good news is the Q8F supports Q Symphony, meaning the TV speakers and a compatible Samsung soundbar work in harmony to create a much bigger sound experience. It also features Adaptive Sound Plus and Active Voice Amplifier, which intelligently tunes the audio based on your environment. So final thoughts on the Samsung 55-inch Q8F. For its price bracket, the Q8F is an excellent mid-range QLED TV. It delivers truly vibrant color and brightness and makes content look fantastic in a typical living room environment. The Q4 AI processor is arguably its biggest strength, giving standard content a significant visual boost. So who should buy this TV? Well, if you're a movie lover, streamer or casual gamer who wants superb color and excellent contrast for a bright room without breaking the bank, this is a fantastic choice. Now, who should not buy this TV? Well, if you're a hardcore gamer demanding 4K at 120 frames per second, or if you watch movies exclusively in a pitch black dedicated cinema room, you might be better off saving up for one of Samsung's Neo QLED or QD OLED models that offer that true HDMI 2.1 and deeper black performance. Now, everything you need, including current pricing and links to the full specs, is going to be in the description box below. If this review helped you, hit the like button, sub to the channel, and let me know in the comments what feature matters most to you in a new TV. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.